Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn how to create a ramp in Revit Architecture. Go to the Architecture tab, then click Ramp. From the Type selector in the Properties palette, choose Concrete Ramp 150 mm thick, or duplicate it to create your own custom type. In the Properties, set the base level to level 1 and set the top constraint to level 1 plus 900 mm. This means the ramp will start from level 1 and rise up to 900 mm above it. Now, in the Draw area, you will notice two options, Run and Boundary. In this example, we will use the Run tool. Click the first point to start the ramp. Then move your cursor forward to define the length of the run. As you move the cursor, Revit displays the slope percentage and height gained next to the cursor. For this exercise, the total length of the sloped ramp will be 10,800 mm, plus a landing of 4,200 mm. Revit will automatically calculate the correct slope percentage based on these dimensions. For this exercise, keep the slope below 8.33%. That's the standard maximum for accessible ramps, which corresponds to a 1:12 ratio, 1 meter rise, for every 12 meters of length. When you complete the run, click Finish Edit Mode. Revit will automatically generate the ramp in 3D. Now, we will create a ramp by sketch, using boundary and riser lines with reference planes as guides in Revit Architecture. We will use the same information as in the previous exercise, a ramp that rises 900 mm from level 1, with a total length of 10,800 mm, plus a landing of 4,200 mm and a width of 3,000 mm. Go to the Architecture tab, then click Ramp. In the Properties palette, set the base level to level 1 and the top constraint to level 1 plus 900 mm. Before drawing, make sure your reference planes are already created and visible. They will help you position the ramp accurately. Now enter Edit Sketch mode. From the Draw panel, use Boundary. Then choose Pick Lines. Use the existing reference planes to define the left and right boundaries of the ramp. The distance between these two boundaries is 3,000 mm. Next, from the Draw panel, use Riser. Draw the first riser at the bottom edge of the ramp. Then draw the second and third risers in the landing area to define the flat section between the two slopes. Finally, draw the fourth riser at the top edge of the ramp, following the reference plane that defines the end of the ramp. Click Finish Edit Mode, and Revit will create the ramp based on your sketch. Finally, switch to a 3D view to verify your result. You will see a ramp that starts from level 1, rises to plus 900 mm, has a width of 3,000 mm, and follows your reference planes precisely. And that's it. You have successfully created a ramp by sketch, using boundary and riser lines with reference planes, using the same data as the previous exercise.